In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Descript. First, open Descript and load the project that contains the video you want to edit. Once your project is open, go to the scene editor or the layers panel and select your video layer. This part is important because Descript needs to know which clip you want to apply the background change to. Next, open the effects controls. In the scene editor, click Effects, then choose Add Effect. From the list of available options, select Green Screen. Descript will use AI to remove the existing background from your video. This is the key step that separates you or your subject from the original scene so you can place something new behind it. After that, it's time to add the new background. Go to Media, then Files, and upload the image or video you want to use. If you don't already have a background prepared, you can also browse Descript's stock media library and pick something from there. This gives you flexibility whether you want a professional office look, a simple graphic background, or a more dynamic video backdrop. Once your new background is imported, add it to the scene. Then make sure your original video layer sits above the background layer. If the order looks wrong, right-click the background and choose Send to Back. Layer order matters here because the new background needs to sit behind your foreground video in order for the effect to look correct. Now adjust the background so it fits nicely within the frame. You may need to resize it or reposition it until it fully covers the screen. Then check your foreground video and make sure the subject is placed naturally within the new scene. Taking a moment here to line everything up can make the final result look much more polished. If your project includes multiple scenes, you can optionally use the All Scenes option to apply the background across them. This can save time and help keep your video visually consistent. Before finishing, preview your video and watch carefully around the edges of your subject. Look for anything that appears rough or cut out unevenly. For cleaner results, good lighting makes a big difference, and clear contrast between the subject and the original background usually helps the AI produce a better cutout. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and export or publish your finished video, and that's how to change your background in Descript.